quick tip going into the summer would be to regularly season your non-stick cookware, be it your toaster, your XL, your frying pan, your griddle pan, anything that you use to go cooking with. It's a little bit like polishing a car. You don't have to do it, but it will help to increase the longevity of the cookware itself, and it will give it a whole new lease of life if it's getting a little bit tired. Couldn't be simpler. You will need a small amount of oil, a little bit of kitchen roll, and a lighter. Oh, and a cooker, obviously. Believe it or not, I'm still using the very first toaster that we had in the country. As you can see, it's had a lot of use. It's a little bit past its best, touch scuffed on the inside. I've been quite rough with it, I'm not going to lie. First thing we need to do is get the heat on. This is a brand new canister, so I need to be quite careful. But what I want to be doing is heating it up pretty hot, certainly hotter than I would normally do for toasties and cooking. Once it's warmed through, we add around about a teaspoon of oil. Not a lot, just enough to coat the bottom. And what we want is we want that oil to cover the whole of the inside of the pan, and we want it hot. Non-stick coated is like a microscopic golf ball. There's little dimples and ridges everywhere. That's how it works. And what we're trying to achieve here is any scuffs within that coating are obviously going to damage the dimples and the ridges. So we need to fill up the scuffs. And the way that we do that is by heating up some oil till it's really, really runny, and just shake it around the toaster just for a few seconds. It takes maybe a minute each side. Once that is suitably hot, I need to decant it into a suitable container. What we need to do at this point, take a small piece of kitchen paper, be very, very careful, because this will be roasting hot. If you burn yourself, you've been stupid. It's not my fault, okay? Just get the remnants of the oil and give it a good rub right the way through, and then get a slightly cleaner bit of cloth, and again just keep rubbing until that oil is over all of the pan, and then the excess is mopped up by the paper. What I need to do at this point, flip it over, do the other side. Okay, that's both sides done. What you need to do now is leave your toaster or pan or griddle to cool completely, right the way back down to normal room temperature, and then give it a quick wash in warm soapy water. You'll be absolutely shocked at what a little bit of seasoning can do, and it took, what, 3 or 4 minutes, and cost maybe 10 pence in oil.